Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Wirestock account and verifying email so uploads sync correctly. Enable two-step login to protect earnings. Once done, gather your assets. Pick final JPEG or high-quality RAW converted to required sizes, and ensure IPK fields like title, description, and keywords are embedded. Make sure you choose license preferences and target marketplaces up front, because selecting destinations early saves time and prevents repeated submissions across platforms. You now drag and drop batches into the Wirestock uploader and watch the progress bar for any failed files. Requeue replacements immediately. Then add clear, searchable titles and helpful descriptions, and assign 5 to 25 targeted keywords that buyers will search. Make use of batch editing for repetitive data like release flags, categories, and language options, because it speeds approval. Also, attach model or property releases where required so your images clear legal review quickly. You finish by clicking Submit and then monitoring the dashboard for review status and marketplace synchronization. Wirestock usually lists reasons for pending or rejected items. If an asset is rejected, inspect the provided notes, add missing model/property releases, refine keywords or retouch visible issues, and resubmit promptly. Finally, if uploads stall, clear your browser cache, disable extensions, or try a different browser. This often fixes hanging uploads and prevents duplicate submissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.